5 must-have TradingView indicators. In this video you will learn most essential indicators, and the great thing is all of them are completely free to use. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. If you are a day trader or swing trader or even a long-term holder, this 5 must-have indicator will be a perfect fit for you, and now we will go one by one together, and let's start with the first one here. Don't forget that these are all must-have. The first one is the MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence. Click that to your chart and all these indicators will be free to use for everyone. The MACD is, most of you guys are familiar with it, but let me just go over it quickly. What it shows you is it will plot two lines here, and it will also plot a histogram chart here, and you can understand the direction of the price. If it crosses down, it means it's a bearish signal. If it is crosses up, it's a bullish signal. So just only using MACD can be tricky and can give you very much false signal, especially in the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, and I mean like the lower time frames, right? But if you want to level up your MACD trading strategy, you can add up more trading indicators to confirm itself. What I want to show you is our second must-have indicator, and this is also one of the classic, which is called a Supertrend, and this is from the KivancOzbilgic. Click that to your chart, and this indicator will give you buy signal and the sell signal, and you can also see this green cloud and the red cloud over here with the indicator, and it's basically a self-explanatory here, so you can use this two indicator to confirm itself, and it's very easy to use, and you can even use it with the default settings, which is like ATR period 10, the multiplier is 3. Also for the MACD, you can use it with the default settings, the 12, the 26. What you can do is you can adjust yourself while you trade, so you can backtest it. Maybe you can feel comfortable with the fast length at 10, the slow length maybe with the 30. How you can decide yourself, right? You can adjust it. And the third indicator, the third must indicator, the smart money concept. You guessed it right. So this is a very popular indicator from the LuxAlgo, and they are doing a great job. Now head over to settings to do some quick adjustment here. What I want you to do is enable the fair value gaps to get a better signal, and you can use daily, weekly and monthly highs and lows here. You don't need the premium and discount zone, and that's it. This is a must-have indicator if you want to see a price action in your chart in real time. So from now on we have three indicators, three must-have indicators: the smart money concepts, the Supertrend and the MACD. These three guys are literally a banger. They are perfectly suitable for all type of markets and all time frames. So the smart money concepts will give you the change of character, the equal lows, the equal highs, the break of structure, the order blocks here, and the fair value gaps. And if you don't know what is fair value gap, you can watch my video over here, so you will have a better understanding of it. What you can do is also you can combine these three indicators to take a long or short position. For example, we got a cross up from the MACD over here, and we got a buy signal from the Supertrend, right? And this is the strong low, which means that it's a strong support zone here, and we got a change of character here. What you can do is you can take a long position with the bar close from the Supertrend, because we got already confirmation from the MACD. Histogram is green, a perfect entry for you, and you can ride your trade until you see a bearish fair value gap, unfilled bearish fair value gap like this. So this is how it works. This is how you can combine it. These indicators are all 100% free and here for you to test it out. Now let's head over to indicators tab for our fourth indicator, which is moving average exponential. It is all-time classic. Click that to your chart, go to settings and change your length to 50 and change the style to see it better. Let's say like red or maybe blue will be fine, and that's it. Now what it will does it will add one more confirmation layer. I'm not saying use all of these indicator in your chart, but these 5 indicator is must have indicators in TradingView. They are all great indicators. They got approved from the whole TradingView community, and you can see a lot of traders that are using them in their trades. How you can combine with this whole strategies, let me tell you. If you look up this strategy, the position here, you can confirm with the 4th layer here, which is the price should above the 50 EMA to enter a long position. You can use it like that. So if the price above the 50 EMA, it means bullish. If it is below, it means bearish. You can use the moving average exponential just like this. We are trading on 1 minute time frame for the demonstration purposes, and my ticker is now Nasdaq futures. So now the final indicator, which is called the Chandelier Exit. This is again an all-time classic. It has a 13,000 favorites nearly on the TradingView. Clicked at your chart, and this indicator very similar to the Supertrend. It will give you buy and sell signal. If you remember my strategy where I combined 3 Supertrend, and now this strategy is something very similar to that. We are combining 2 signal indicators to confirm each other. We have a 5 indicator in the chart, and the Chandelier Exit settings, you can use it with the default here, 22 period, the 3 multiplier, easy like that. Hit the OK button, and now we have 5 indicator in our chart. As I said earlier, you don't have to use all of them at the same time, but you have to test these indicators if you still didn't test it out yet. So what we're gonna do now is we will combine all these guys together on the live market, and how we're gonna do is on the Nasdaq futures in 1 minute with the default settings. All the indicators are default settings. We just enabled the fair value gap on the smart money concepts, and we changed the moving average exponential length to 50. Let's see it here. So we are watching the market. We have already got a 2 buy signal here. Price didn't go above the 50 EMA line, so this is not a valid trade. We will look for this trade now. We got a cool highs, and we got a 2 sell signal here from the Chandelier Exit and the Supertrend, and the price is below the 50 EMA. We got a cross down from the MACD. This is a perfect short opportunity. All you need to do is just take a short position when you see something like this in your chart. And by the way, this is a 1 minute time frame, which means it's a scalping, right? And let's see, you can plot your stop loss just above this equal highs, right? And you can ride the trade until you see a buy signal, until you see a cross up from the MACD, or until you see a bullish fair value gap. Let's hit the play button and see which one will come first. We got a cross up from the MACD, and you can close out your position here. It's a very nice profit. If we grab our short position tool, you ride your trade until the cross up here, and let me just quickly adjust it, and stop loss was here. 1:7 risk reward ratio is very nice. You grab all the profits, you pocketed all the profits, and the price is still going down. What you can do is after you see a cross up like this, you can close half of your position, and you can move your stop loss to your break even and let your position ride until you get one more take profit signal, like a buy signal from the Chandelier Exit or the Supertrend. Let's see. We are rolling the chart now, and we are waiting. We are still making money here, and we got a buy signal from the Chandelier Exit and the Supertrend, so you can close the rest of your position here. So it's a very nice strategy. I am saying these are must-have indicators because they are really must-have indicators. Let's continue. We got a 2 buy signal here. We got a cross up from the MACD, and the price closed above the 50 EMA here, and we took a long position here, right? Let me just plot the long position here, and let's put the stop loss over here, the recent resistance line, and let's see how the trade will go. And we are watching the market. We got a cross down here, which means that we can close half of the position, right? And we can move stop loss to the break even. And this is a one scenario that you can do. And we got also a 2 sell signal here, so we close rest of the position here. You see how trading can be easy if you just not make too complicated for yourself. You can do it. All you need to do is just spend some time with these crazy indicators, put it on your chart and play around and see which settings is the best for you, which time frame is the best for you, and that's it. That's all you need to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.